Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people who know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're using one to get started. Easiest way to make money online, period, guys. Alright, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That means that you get paid every single month for every sale, not just for the sale. And you get paid 80%, which is higher than anything I ever heard. The closest I heard is like 30, 25, 30%. 80% is insane. All right, guys, it's high as you're going to see. And yeah, it's very easy to make money when they basically giving you money away for free just to get people in their system. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys, is look at my results here. We're gonna refresh the page. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. Now this is what we're gonna do. What I need to show you guys is how to get the affiliate links here, these affiliate links here. So that's the first thing we're gonna do, get these links. So what you want to do is go to my video here. Once you're on my video, you just click on the show more for the description here, and you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. One is saying the $25 business. You click on that, and you get to this page here. Once you get to this page here, you can just read about $25 business, the everything that's happening with the $25 business, how much money you can make, all that good stuff, and just learn a ton of information about it. You know what I mean? If you really want to run through it real quick, like something like this: one sale can turn to 75. One sale a week can turn to $6,000 a month for a year. It's crazy, something like that. So yeah, you can really scale up real easily. So anyway, once you do that, you click on one of the green buttons. It's going to take you to this page here where you can put in all your information and purchase the product and so on and so forth. I recommend getting this as well, but let's explain what's going on here. You put in your information, you buy it, but the reason why you want to get this is training on how to promote promote products in general, not just this product here. It just shows you exactly how to set up ads and stuff like that. So yeah, you could do this as well, but let me explain here. The biggest reason why you want this product here as well is because you have to own the product to get sales from it. So for example, if you were not to come through here and not get this right and just get a $25 business, and then for example, let's say you got another person in the system, like one other person in the system, or two other people. Let's say you got two people in the system, right? And they both decide to get this right here. You will get, since it's two people, you will get $40 off of the $25 since you own the $25 business, right? You will get $40 off of that, but you won't get $200 from this right here because you don't own this product. All right. Since we're talking about two people, you'll get $200. This is the $100 you guys see my rebuild speed. Sometimes I get $100. And so that's what I'm getting it from. So okay, cool, right? So this is what we're gonna do. Once you get in your system here and sign in, do all the stuff you need to do to sign in, it's gonna take you to a page or something like this. Well, you're gonna go through some things, set up your account and stuff, and you eventually get to a page or something like this, and you just sign in, blah blah. You sign in, boom, you're on this page here. Well, this might look different down at the bottom, but this top right here, the top part of it, it's gonna look like this right here. And what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. Once you're on the affiliate zone, it's gonna, by the way, it's videos explaining all of this. I'm just speed running through it, but it's very simple. Once you sign up, right? Once you're on the affiliate zone, you got to go to sign up for the affiliate program here, and you just put in some very basic information here. You put that in real quick. And then you log in the SoundCard. Once you do that, that's going to take you to this page here. All right, guys. Very simple, very easy. And that's how you get all your affiliate links. There's a ton of affiliate links, by the way, taking you to all kind of different stuff if you want to promote it in different ways. That's perfectly fine if you wish to do that. I personally like right here on no info, just the red join link. I don't got 10 sales off of that as well. But this is the one that's been working for me, guys. The all-in-one $25 business sale letter. I want to make sure I highlight it so you guys know exactly which one I'm talking about. This one right here is the one that works for me. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now that we got the affiliate link, all we need to do is come back to my video description here, and we're gonna open up the step 2 here. That's join my lead gen secrets. And once you do that, it's gonna take you to a page little something like this. Now the my lead gen secret, let me explain what that is real quick. So this is what that video does. You get 100 leads every single day. You get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. So for example, today if you sign in, you'll get 100 leads, and tomorrow you'll have 200 leads because you got 100 more leads. You see what I'm saying? And you can only email them every single day, once a day. So you won't clog up their emails and they won't try to sign out the system and stuff because you send them way too much stuff. So yeah, and the best part about this is that these emails, they are interested in making money online, so it's an easy sell. All right, guys, it's a pretty easy sell. Now they cold leads, but they're interested in making money online. And then people usually get multiple accounts of this, like 10 accounts, because it's easy to make to at least break even very easily with this system. You will break even with the right product at least, and more than likely you'll make a lot of money. So we only using one account to do this. All right, guys, I'm making sure I say that we only using one account to do this. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna send our next email here. Once you get in the system here, all you gotta do is click on mailing system here, and you just click on all your emails. All your leads here, how many there is. Don't worry about it not being a huge number. It's simply a numbers game. You'll slowly build up, and then you just click on we'll click on a new email to send here. I guess let's send make it money. Let's be a monthly income. Okay, let's send this one here. No, let's go with I'm just looking and seeing what other emails I have here I can see. Let's send this one. Get 120 customers per customer per month. All right, we're gonna send this email here. Very clean, very easy email here. As you can see, guys, you could just copy this email if you're interested. Just pause the video and copy it. Sorry, I was just looking over the emails and just picking one. And that's all I gotta do. And you guys will get to that point where all you gotta do as well to send an email and make money doing this. It's a very simple process. Only 3 sales equal to blah blah blah. Sale generator. Okay, get started now. All you gotta do, we're gonna send the email. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works. All right, guys, make sure to do that as well. And we're just gonna send the email and we are done. That's all we gotta do, guys. And like I said before, just copy it. Pause the video to copy it. All right, guys, just pause the video and copy the whole thing. Very simple thing to do, and that's all it takes. Very easy, very quick. You can do it as soon as you wake up in the morning, like I do, and yeah, just have money coming in for no real work, to be honest. All right, guys. Now let me show you guys. Look how much money I made doing this very simple process I do every morning. I made $5.3 thousand on this product. All right, guys, in about 6 or 7 months, something like that. Very quickly making money, and I'm not doing that much to promote it. That's all I'm trying to say, guys. So like I stated before, very simple process. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.